Welcome back. Crime branch of Goa Police have issued a form for feedback from public. This feedback will help police to act and serve the public in a better way. Any complaint on police or any feedback to police which can help the Goa Police to improve can be posted to the crime branch in Donapal. You can prefer to be anonymous and send your feedback inquiry.
Have you ever been unsatisfied with the police inquiry in your case? Did you say police are not serious about their work? Whether the cases are with personal as rift between family members or cases of two neighbors? Did you say they don't take common man's cases seriously? Any criminal or heinous cases being ignored by the police? Don't worry, Crime Branch is here with all its services to the public. The Office of the Superintendent of Police at Crime Branch has issued forms in interest of public. The forms will reach to all the complainants. The form reads, the form has to be filled with a correction mark which has to be posted with enclosed stamp on the envelope. The form has to be filled with proper FIR number, FIR date, the section, crime head, respective police station and name of the investigation officer. The questionnaire beneath has also to be filled in properly with correct data. The questions are listed below. Who heard your complaint? Whether or not you were attended properly in police station? Was your complaint recorded correctly? Were you given FIR copy or receipt of complaint? Are you aware of the investigation in the case? Are you satisfied with handling of the complaint? Your comments, suggestions useful for investigation. You can avoid filling of the sections which can reveal your identity. You can prefer to be anonymous and send feedback. With proper input, help the police to serve you better. Bureau Report, Prudent.
ITAC has called CEC's preliminary report as anti-Goan as it has ignored mining affected people. Christopher Fonseca criticized CEC for submitting a one-sided report to the Supreme Court. Fonseca appealed people to gather at Azad Maidan on 18 December to demand immediate commencement of legal mining in the state.
There is not one word about the people, not one word about the workers, not one word about the thousands and lakhs of people who are mining dependent, not one word. Such a inhuman report that the CEC has written. And the secretary who wrote this report has not entered Goa, not touched Goa, and he has written a report. What right has he got to give that kind of a report to the Supreme Court? And why should the Supreme Court accept his report? You are sitting in Delhi and pushing papers? Totally one-sided report. We cannot accept this report. Therefore, we have publicly burned this report, CEC report. Absolutely inhuman report. Absolutely anti-Goan report. Anti-people report.
Goa Mining People's Front has given a call to the people of Goa to march in large numbers on 18 December 2012 from 9:30 am onwards to Azad Maidan, demanding immediate commencement of all legal mining operations in Goa.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Smile and the world will smile with you. 1000 Smiles event was celebrated on a grand scale in Panji. The always smiling photographers captured smiles of 1000 Goenkars. This is the 4th year of the 1000 Smiles group. It's fun. Have a look.
Thousands smiles of Goa करून why not capture the essence of Goa म्हटल्यार the smiles of the Goans because गोंयकार आमी आमच्या स्मायला खातीर आमच्या हॉस्पिटॅलिटी खातीर फामाद आसात सो प्रत्येक वर्सा आमकां चडांत चड प्रतिसाद मेळटा सो फुडें फुडें आमी हे 1000 स्मायल्स प्रोजेक्ट करीत रावतले अँड मोर स्मायल्स आमी गॅदर करीत रावतले.
Prudent has revealed how there were thefts in PWD storeroom in Sada, Vasco. The thefts were neglected for a long time. Thefts like missing of a road roller, water meters and water pipes. The PWD engineer then filed a complaint with the police. AE Vijay Kurchadkar informed that this missing material cannot be useful for a common person. It could have been robbed within the department.
I was sure these meters are somewhere they actually not used now except department.
The theft was noticed by the water division of Vasco. Some miscreants entered by breaking open the windows of the storeroom, broke the door open and fled with old and new water meters. Earlier there was theft of road breaker missing and water pipes.
ते भितर कंपाऊंड आसा सायडी ते कंपाऊंडा व्हडलो बुराक करून भितरल्यान ते चोर घुसले आनी चोरी केल्ली आनी त्या विशीं आमी कंप्लेन केली पुलिसेक आनी ते तुमी मेळिल्ले ऑर्डर आनी देट वॉज कॉस्टिंग सम 21,000 मार्क कंपनीचो आनी इमिजिएटली वी मेड कंप्लेन.
There is no storekeeper and hence there are no inventories made of the things stored in the store. Things were missing from the store. It was difficult to ascertain how much was the loss. There was no logbook maintained.
Give for scrapper or scrapyard, you will get small amount because there is no brass content. Earlier there was brass, no. So it may cost 30 to 40 rupees. So I don't know what is the reason for this robbery.
Articles stolen from storeroom: 1,522 new meters, 400 old scrap meters. Altogether 1,922 meters were stolen. Meters and other materials worth 4,75,400 rupees were stolen from the PWD storeroom in Sada, Vasco. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.